In this video, we are going to talk about Unit 10 of MSO 002, and the following question that I have came across after analyzing all the question papers are feminist approach, its feature and contribution to study gender. This is the most important question of MSO 002. It has been asked for more than 7 times in the examination. After analyzing all the question paper from 2012 to 2020, I have came across the question that is very important, and it's a topic that we all are familiar about. Now without any delay, let's start the video. Feminist approach helps us to understand or look at the social world through the prism of gender. Marginal and overtly political knowledge are not established as other social institutions and beliefs that are socially constructed. Hostility often is intense, and responses range from tendency to trivialize to a tendency to demonize. Context is far-reaching and fundamentally challenge conventional knowledge system. Sociologists usually eliminate deliberately the action of women. The term feminism describes political, cultural, and economic movements that aim to establish equal right and legal protection for women. Talcott Parsons' model of family assumed women to perform expressive roles and men instrumental ones. The dominance of established method was such that it appears to be naturalized. Division of labor was biological in origin. Women work for wages and don't have capacity to take rational decision in economic matter, whereas men work to bring up his family. Ordinary customs rest on deep-rooted patriarchal structure. For example, change of surname after marriage. Feminist approach challenge very sensitive and deep-rooted structures, leading to considerable hostility and at the least discomfort. There are 4 waves or phases of women's movement. The first phase is suffrage movement of West. It started from 19th century and early 20th century. The second phase is of national movement in colonized country. It is from 1960s and 1970s. It asks for equal legal and social rights. It personal is political. The third phase talk about intersectionality. It was from lower caste women. The fourth phase is internet based movement, for example the Me Too movement that came in 21st century across internet. All the 4 phases started from suffrage movement, and then the national movement in the nationality that was in the colony areas or countries of the world. Then the lower caste movement, the Dalit and the other scheduled caste women asked for sectionality that was equal for all. And then here comes the 21st century movement based on internet technology. The faces may have changed, but it's the women that have suffered, and for that Krishna Raj has said feminist research is expected to use theory, not so much to test hypotheses but develop a better understanding through grounded concepts. Mary Wollstonecraft wrote a book that talked about vindication of rights of women. That was about right to vote for women. The basis of feminist knowledge emerged from a radical movement that questioned the given social order as both natural and divinely destined. Mill fought to amend the laws that gave husbands control over their wives, money and property. The stages in development since 1970s talks about emphasis on sex difference based in biological properties of individual. The focus shifted to individual level sex roles and socialization, exposing gender as the product of specific social arrangement, although still conceptualizing it as an individual trait. Recognition of centrality of gender as an organizing principle in all social systems, including work, politics, everyday interaction, families, education, etc. Understanding of gender became social. The key features of feminist approach talks about research design were based on men experience, the separation and rectification of division between public and private, diversity of gender status in the social order. These all 3 key features about feminist approach talks about the problems that were there while people were studying feminism. The research design were based on men experience, means the men were the head of the family, and normally the questions asked were in the presence of them, so women were not able to state their current position correctly. Women at that time normally worked in informal sectors such as Bengal, Zarudoi, slums, or as a domestic workers. Women were absent from social analysis and social world of classical sociology. Language and analysis is of men or the male activists. There were no female activists that can tell the real situation of female. Separation and rectification of a division between public and means modern urban and industrial society. There was sex-based division of labor and male dominance. Men in corporate sector, whereas women were in private sphere, homes, courts, and attend only private. It was assumed that women cannot take economic decisions. Diversity of gender status in the social order means that domestic workers were the bridge between public and private domain. Because of the domestic workers that were female worked in the other houses became a bridge for them to go out and work. The patriarchy is social system of inequality. Women are primarily and solely homemakers and adult male breadwinners. The feminism can be seen as radical Marxist or liberal view. The radical approach portrayed all men are universally bad. The patriarchal blame men for exploitation, whereas Marxist view said that capitalism or the low wages, the unpaid work, division of labor as men and women were the main cause, whereas liberal view the culture is responsible, such as men and women both are victims. Middle and educated were considered. Enlightenment have influenced women began to that new reformists demand about liberty and equality and natural rights applied to both sexes. Enlightenment philosophers focus on inequalities of social class and caste to exclusion of gender, that is gender stereotype. Jean Rosé was a sociologist that portrayed women as silly creatures born to be subordinate to men. In 1789, French Revolution failed to address women, but then the women fought for themselves. That we have already talked about the four waves of women. In the globalization, the feminism is also there. By the end of 20th century, European and American feminists interacted with Asia, Africa, Latin America feminists. The issues were wear veils on public places, forced marriage, female infanticides, widow burning, lack of education among female. In 1980s, UN conference Decade for Women asked for equality, development and peace for them. The feminist is not only the woman, it can be a man also. Whoever talks about feminism is a feminist. I have talked about all the aspects that have been asked in the question. We have discussed feminist approach and we have discussed its features. We have also seen that how it or the feminist approach have contributed in the study of gender. In next video we will see unit 11 and we will talk about participatory approach, its feature, limitation and historical background. This is the last unit of MSO 002 book 1 and after that we will start book 2. Please like, share, subscribe and comment for any query. You can also follow us on Instagram or Telegram. The link is given below in the description box. Thank you.